Hello friends, this is me Vijay Shan presenting you the first part of the most important MCQs for the topic Transport and Communication for the upcoming JKSSB Finance Account Assistant exam. Friends, we have already covered the political and physical geography of world and India and the freedom struggle of India. Also, we have covered the current affairs for the month of January to the month of April of 2021. Friends, please do visit these videos also from the links given below. So let's start today's video. Question number 1. What is the global rank of Indian rail network when it comes to the total length covered by it? Option A first, option B second, option C third, option D fourth. Friends, the correct answer is option C third. When it comes to railways, Indian rank is third, and when it comes to the roadways, India's rank is second. In railways, USA and China are the number 1 and number 2 respectively, and in roadways also USA is number 1, India is number 2. In railways, first is USA, second China, and third one is India. Question number 2. Which of the following was recently made the 17th zone of Indian Railway? Option A Northeastern Zone, option B Northwestern Zone, option C Northeast Frontier, option D Kolkata Metro Zone. Friends, the correct answer is option D Kolkata Metro Zone. Kolkata Metro Zone has been recently selected as the 17th zone of Indian Railway. Question number 3. When was first railway in India operated for public traffic? Option A 1857, option B 1874, option C 1853, option D 1844. Friends, the correct answer for this is option C 1853. Friends, first railway also started in this same year from Mumbai to Thane. Okay. Question number 4. Which one of the following is not recognized by UNESCO as World Heritage Site? Option A Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, option B Nilgiri Mountain Railway, option C Kalka Shimla Railway, option D North Eastern Railway. And the correct answer is option D North Eastern Railway. North Eastern Railway is not a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Friends, there are two UNESCO World Heritage Sites on Indian Railways. First one is Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, which is in Mumbai, and the second one is Mountain Railways of India. Mountain Railways of India are not contiguous but consist of three separate railway lines located in different parts of the country. First one is Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, second Nilgiri Mountain Railway, and the Kalka Shimla Railway. Okay, so North Eastern Railway is the correct answer. Question number 5. Which railway line runs parallel to the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats? Option A South Central Railway, option B Konkan Railway, option C Southern Railway, option D Southeastern Railway. Friends, the correct answer for this is option B Konkan Railway. Konkan Railway passes through three states of India, that is Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka. It runs along the west coast parallel to the Arabian Sea and Western Ghats. It is an extremely beautiful and scenic route running from Maharashtra to Karnataka. Okay. Question number 6. Which of the following has the longest route of Indian Railways network? Option A Vivek Express, Option B Himsagar Express, Option C Navyug Express, Option D Guwahati Express. Friends, the correct answer is option A Vivek Express. Friends, its total length is 4,273 kilometers. Okay. Question number 7. Which one of the following cities does not come under Golden Quadrilateral Road Project? Option A Mumbai, Option B Delhi, Option C Chennai, Option D Chandigarh. Friends, the correct answer is option D Chandigarh. Chandigarh does not come under Golden Quadrilateral Road Network. Friends, in Golden Quadrilateral Road Network, there are four major cities. Golden Quadrilateral connects the four major metropolis cities. First one is Mumbai, then Chennai, then Kolkata, and then Delhi. So the option D is the correct one. Question number 8. India's first post office was set up at option A Bombay, option A Madras, option B Calcutta, option C Bombay, option D Delhi. Friends, the correct answer for this is option C Bombay. Option C Bombay is the correct answer, which is now called as Mumbai. In Mumbai in 1764, the first post office was set by English East India Company. Okay. Question number 9. Which of the following highways is the longest in India? Option A National Highway 44, Option B National Highway 6, Option C National Highway 47A, Option D National Highway 8. Friends, the correct answer is option A National Highway 44. Friends, the longest National Highway 44, covers now north-south corridor, and it is officially listed as running over 3,745 kilometers, running over from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. Also, National Highway 47A is the shortest national highway. Its total length is 6 kilometers. It links the junction with National 47 at Kundadur of the town of Wellington Island in Kochi. That is, it connects railway junction with National Highway 47. Okay. Question number 10. Which of the following is the first major port opened on the east coast in independent India? Option A Vishakhapatnam, Option B Ennore, Option C Paradeep, Option D Tuticorin. Friends, the correct answer is option C Paradeep. Friends, Paradeep is a major seaport in Odisha. Okay. Question number 11. The commodity which accounts for the maximum volume of goods transported by the railways is option A iron and steel, option B coal, option C mineral oil, option D food grains. Friends, the correct answer for this is option B coal. Question number 12. Which one of the following ports account for almost 50% of iron ore exports? Option A Mangalore, option B Marmugao, option C mineral oil, option C Mumbai, option D Vizag. Friends, and the correct answer is option B Marmugao. Okay. Friends, Marmugao is a port city in South Goa. Okay. Question number 13. Which one of the following has the largest shipyard in India? Option A Kolkata, Option B, Kandla. Option C, Mumbai. Option D, Kochi. Friends, the correct answer is option D, Kochi. Kochi has the largest shipyard in India. Question number 14. Which one of the following is not situated along the Grand Trunk Road? Option A, Prayagraj. Option B, Lucknow. Option C, Agra. Option D, Kanpur. Friends, the correct answer is option B, Lucknow. Lucknow is not situated along Grand Trunk Road. All the other three cities are situated along Grand Trunk Road. Grand Trunk Road was earlier known as Shah Road, Sher Shah Road or Shah Road, which means Royal Road. After the British came, they named it as Grand Trunk Road. Friends, this road roughly covers 2,400 kilometers and stretches from Teknaf in Bangladesh, which is on Myanmar-Bangladesh border, in the east to the west up to Kabul, Afghanistan. Okay. Question number 15. Which one of the following rail zones has the longest in total? Option A, Northern. Option B, Southern. Option C, Eastern. Option D, Central. And the correct answer is option A, Northern. Northern rail zone has the longest route in total. Okay. Question number 16. Which one of the following shipyards makes warships for the Indian Navy? Option A, Cochin Shipyard. Option B, Hindustan Shipyard. Option C, Mazagaon Dock. Option D, Garden Reach Workshop. Friends, the correct answer for this is option C, Mazagaon Dock, which is in Maharashtra. Okay. Question number 17 says, match the following. On the left hand side, there are several zones, and on the right hand side, there are cities. We have to correctly match them. Okay. So central cities are headquarters of the zones. We have to correctly match city zones with their respective headquarters cities. Okay. Option the part one is central zone. Headquarter of central zone is in Mumbai. Okay. Eastern zone is Kolkata. Northern zone is New Delhi. Southern zone is Chennai. South Central is Sikandarabad. North Central is Jaipur. Northeastern is Gorakhpur. Friends, we have correctly matched the following. Question number 18. World's largest railway platform is at option A, Gorakhpur Junction. Option B, Jammu Tawi. Option C, Jabalpur Junction. Option D, Madras Junction. Friends, the correct answer is option A, Gorakhpur Junction. Gorakhpur Junction is the world's largest railway platform. Question number 19. Indira Gandhi International Airport is at option A, Kolkata. Option B, Mumbai. Option C, Delhi. Option D, Chennai. Friends, the correct answer is option C, Delhi. Indira Gandhi International Airport is at Delhi. Question number 20. Seas are the means of transport in desert region. Option B, tundra region. Option C, marshy region. Option D, glaciated region. Friends, the correct answer for this is option D, glaciated region. Question number 21. How many major ports are there at present in India? Option A, 10. Option B, 11. Option C, 12. Option D, 13. Friends, there are 12 government ports and 1 private ports. So in total, there are 13 major ports in India. Question number 22. The first underground railway in India was built at option A Mumbai, option B Kolkata, option C Chennai, option D Delhi. Hence the correct answer is option B Kolkata. Question number 23rd. The biggest port of India which has a natural harbour as well is option A Cochin, option B Vizag, Vizag is for Visakhapatnam, option C Mumbai, option D Chennai. Friends, the correct answer for this is option C Mumbai. Mumbai is the biggest port of India having a natural harbour. Question number 24. The Hindustan shipyard is at option A Goa, option B Cochin, option C Chennai, option D Visakhapatnam. Friends, the correct answer is option D Visakhapatnam. Hindustan shipyard is at Visakhapatnam. Hindustan shipyard was founded in 21st of June 1941. It is at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. It mainly deals in shipbuilding, ship repair, and occasionally submarine construction and refits. Okay. Question number 25 is match the following. Option A is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. On the left hand side, there are given several international airports, and on the right hand side, there are given cities. We have to match them correctly. Okay. First one is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is at Hyderabad. Okay. Option B Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. Chhatrapati International Airport is in Mumbai. Option C Kempa Gowda International Airport. Kempa Gowda International Airport is in Bengaluru. Okay. Option D Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport is in Kolkata. There are other important airports such as Chennai Airport, which is in Chennai. Chandigarh Airport is in Chandigarh. Then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Airport is in Ahmedabad. That one is also important. So friends, आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम ऐसे ही वीडियोस आगे भी लाएं तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर कर दें इस वीडियो को, ताकि हमें भी थोड़ी बहुत मोटिवेशन मिले और अच्छा काम करने की. फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो के ख़त्म होते ही हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट कंप्लीट कर दिया है ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड कम्युनिकेशन का, जो कि आपके सिलेबस का एक पार्ट है. इससे पहले हमने करंट अफेयर्स जनवरी से लेकर अप्रैल तक के पूरे कर दिए हैं. साथ ही साथ हमने इंडियन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल कंप्लीट कर लिया है और पॉलिटिकल एंड फिजिकल डिविजन्स ऑफ वर्ल्ड एंड इंडिया कर लिया है. अगर आपने उनके ऊपर भी इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज देखने हैं तो नीचे दिए गए लिंक्स को क्लिक कीजिए. डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए हैं लिंक्स, वहां क्लिक कीजिए और उन वीडियोस को भी देखिए और उन्हें लाइक और शेयर कीजिए. फ्रेंड्स, आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. फिर मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय.